how to switch between meal plans in HelloFresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you thinking about switching up your meal plan? Well, here is how to change your HelloFresh meal plan using the mobile app. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now, here, once you are inside the app, you can just tap on your profile icon or the menu and then select a meal plan or the plan settings. And after that, you can simply browse through the available meal plans like classic, family friendly, or veggie, and there you can pick your preferred plan and confirm the change. And once you do that, your new meal plan will be set. And that's it. That's how you can switch between meal plans in HelloFresh. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.